Hello everyone. So here we are taking up question which was asked in pre-RMO, but this question is basically a question related to simple concepts of identities in 9th and 10th job करते हो, ठीक है? So I'll suggest you pause this video, try this question, then we will solve this. Right? Just see the solution of this. So the question here is, if the real numbers x, y, z are such that x square plus 4y square plus 16z square is 48 and xy plus 4yz plus 2zx is 24, then find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. So just try this question and then see the solution, right? So now see, this is a tricky question. Why? Because you have only two equations here. You have only two equations and you have how many variables? We have three variables x, y, z. So it's whenever you have number of equations less than number of variables, sometimes it's very difficult because आप variables को eliminate नहीं कर पाओगे, right? So obviously there will be some trick to solve this question. Now how will you solve this? So you can clearly see, देखो idea कैसे लगेगा? You can see everything is in terms of a square, perfect square. So the first expression is, I can say this is x square plus this is 2y square and this is 4z square. This is equal to 40. ये अपना first equation, right? And the second equation, you just observe this. This is 2xy plus 8yz and this is plus 4zx. What I have done is I have just multiplied with 2. Why we have multiplied with this 2? Now you will see. If I subtract these two equations, so now see, if I subtract this will become x square plus 2y square plus 4z square. This is 4z square minus this is 2xy minus 8yz minus this is 4zx equal to 0. And now if you just observe this is, you can see, first I'll introduce this concept here. We know that if you have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, right? I can write this is equal to half a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is how we can write this. We can clearly see, if I open this a square plus a square, this is 2a square, so this is half, so this will become a square. Similarly b square, similarly c square. This is what we can write, right? So just see here, if you just see of this expression, this is a square plus b square plus c square minus a into b. You can see this is a into b. This is 2y into x minus this is, again you can see this is 2b into c. This is 2y into this is 4z. You can see this is 2y into 4z, and you can see this is 4z into x. You can see this is 4z into x. This is 4z into x. So this is the important step to understand this, to analyze this. Okay, ये observe करना जरूरी है. So now you see, what is this? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And now just see, if I say this expression is equal to 0, if I say this expression is equal to 0, where a, b, c are some real numbers. So now you can see, if this is equal to 0, that means this perfect square का sum equal to 0. And sum of three perfect square cannot be equal to 0 unless and until all the values are equal to 0, because ये non negative, non negative, non negative. तो positive अगर होगा तो sum 0 possible ही नहीं होगा. So the only possibility is these are equal to 0. So what does this imply? This is 0, that is a equal to b. This is equal to 0, that is b equal to c, and c equal to a. So this is the important relation which you should understand from this. So from this, if I say this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, so from this you will get a equal to b equal to c. This is the expression you get. I hope this is clear, right? अब if you have this, आपको क्या find करना है? You have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. अब you can see how will you find x square plus y square plus z square from this. So you have just got this expression. So what is the relation between, what is the ratio of x y z? If I say x y z, you can see if I say z, let me write it, is equal to lambda. So what is x? X will be equal to 2 lambda and y will be equal to 2 lambda. So you can see if I put z equal to lambda, this is x is equal to 4 lambda, not 2 lambda. X is equal to 4 lambda. This is y is equal to 2 lambda, and this is z equal to lambda. So now see, if I put this here or here, कहीं भी put कर दो, this is x square, this is 16 lambda square, right? This is y square, so this is 16 lambda square. So this is 16 lambda square equal to 48. So this is basically lambda square equal to 1. I hope this is clear. Because we got the ratio of x y z, so this is x y z. Let's say these are the values. हमने क्या कर दिया, उसको वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया, यहाँ पे कर दो या फिर यहाँ पे कर दो. लैम्डा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. So what is x? X square plus y square plus z square. This is, now you can write what is x square. X square is 16 lambda square. What is y square? Y is 4 lambda square. And what is z square? This is lambda square. So what is this? This is 21 lambda square, and lambda square is 1. So what is the answer? This is equal to 21. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Question from, you can say, the basic concepts of class 9th and 10th. ठीक है, ये आपको आइडेंटिटी में बताया जाता है, and this is in fact very important for basic mathematics for IIT JEE Advanced. Basic foundation mathematics के लिए this question is very important. ठीक है. So I hope you were able to solve this question. So that's it for this. Thank you. Bye bye.